Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install and join Google Classroom on your REALME C35. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and start searching for an app. Here write Google Classroom. And it's this app right here. You can press on the install button. After it's done, let's open the app, get started, select the account or add another one, press OK, and now on this plus button, join class, enter your class code right here, and after you've entered the class code which you should be provided with, press on the join, and you'll be joined with a class. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.